What is up, YouTube? Tonight, that's right, tonight, it's super late. It's like 2. I thought I'd just do a collection video. This is like the 3rd video today, so alright, let's get into it. Diane Zanchi 3x3. Rubik's brand 3x3. Diane Zanchi stickerless. Missing pieces for Mega Mix. Crappy pyramids. Work in progress. Rubik's snake. 2x2 in a jar that I did a video on today. Square 1, not solved. Custom modded sticker mod. White axis cube. Rubik's 360. Broken Master Morphics. Rubik's Magic. Unsolved Mini 2x2. And finally, Unsolved 11x11. Well, there you have it, guys. That is my collection. I've been collecting these over 5 years, and I quit about 2 years. So anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. 3rd video of the day. Woo! Not really, it's 2:30 here. So thank y'all for watching. I'll see you next one. Bye. Next one's gonna be tomorrow.